How can I perfectly match the company goals with a specific technology? Currently, companies are using several ways to track the innovation landscape. You can participate in industry events to identify raising technologies, but each event has limited spaces and only a small percentage of companies participate in it. Events are good spots when looking for ideas and doing networking, but not for really finding the best solution matching your company needs. They are extremely costly. Participating fee, travel cost, accommodation, you can spend from 1,000 to over 10,000 for each of them. Moreover, the most promising industry events happen rarely in a year. In most industries, there are no more than 3-5 interesting events per year. If you miss them, you have to wait another year to attend. This means you could be 12 months behind your competitors. You can create and engage a personal network of experts in your sector to collect suitable technologies. Experts provide amazing feedback on specific ideas and technologies, but they are focused mostly on their field of expertise. This means their solution landscape is extremely limited in comparison to what really exists. Using your own network could save money, but building it could be a full-time job, and creating valuable contacts takes a large amount of time. To obtain great IT tools like innovation and patent databases or insight software can keep you posted about the latest discoveries in your field. But innovation databases are not always up to date, and often show solutions that have paid to be there. Patent DBs are at least 18 months behind the discoveries, and not all the great inventions have a patent behind them. Insight software are more focused on trends and too full of information. Using these tools doesn't guarantee finding proper solutions. But most of the time, interrogating this kind of software needs time. You have to spend weeks or even months to identify solutions that could be suitable for you, and spending additional time to assess the identified technology to be sure it fits the company's needs. Startup incubator and accelerator programs can be used to identify the most promising companies in your field. But their databases are extremely limited in comparison to what really exists out there. And they are driven by a specific investment thesis, cutting out tons of valuable technologies. Moreover, your business needs are not taken deeply into consideration in what they provide. This approach is extremely costly, over $100,000 per year if you are using one of the top accelerator programs. And normally, you have to wait 3 months to get a list of solutions. That is a pretty long time for a discovery step. And then, you still have to analyze the technologies to be sure they are a good fit for you, spending additional time and resources. Consultant services can guide you into suitable solutions. They normally use a mix of the solutions we explored until now, but it's rare they can provide really the best solution for your needs. More commonly, they can provide one of the acceptable solutions. Paying a consultant service is always expensive, reaching easily $10,000 and more for each technology target you have. And the average scouting time frame is around 3 months. So, same as before, you have to spend additional time and resources to dig deep into the solutions provided. If you can run your own innovation lab to attract innovative projects in your field, you are in a strong position. Labs are a great resource for a company, in particular for proof of concept and pilots during the assessment phase. But they have also limited possibilities. You cannot incubate tons of projects, and the companies arrive mainly from a specific area. The cost is enormous. You have to spend more than $1 million per year to run a lab that can create value for your business. It takes a long time to start it, but also to evaluate and attract continuously the best solutions in your field. One last possibility is to create your proprietary solutions, to track and be updated about the innovation landscape. Using a proprietary solution can produce really targeted results, but with a limited landscape. There are new solutions approaching the market every day. Tracking them is extremely complex and costly. And it is the same to build and maintain this kind of solution. So in the end, you can use one or all of those possible approaches to scouting technology solutions. Or you can decide to use our technology search engine and accelerate the technology scouting process, finding 10 times more novel solutions matching your company goals in days.